Imagine holding a phone in your hand that feels like it's from the future, a device that doesn't just keep up with your life, but actually anticipates it. That's exactly what Samsung is promising with the Galaxy A57 5G, launching soon and ready to redefine what a mid-range smartphone can do. Right from the start, this phone grabs attention with its sleek design, vibrant display, and the kind of performance that makes you wonder if you're actually holding a flagship in your palm. Samsung has packed the A57 with a brilliant 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display, delivering colors so rich, so immersive, it almost feels like the screen comes alive. Watching videos or scrolling through your favorite apps becomes an experience you can't look away from. But it's not just about looks. The phone is powered by a cutting-edge octa-core chipset that makes multitasking smooth and effortless, whether you're gaming, streaming, or juggling multiple apps at once. Everything flows without a hitch. Now, if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about the cameras. The Galaxy A57 5G boasts a versatile quad-camera setup, led by a 64MP main sensor that captures incredible detail, even in low light. Night shots, portraits, landscapes, everything comes out crisp, sharp, and social media ready. The front-facing camera is perfect for selfies or video calls, ensuring your face is always in perfect focus. Samsung didn't stop there. They've enhanced it with smart AI features that analyze your environment and automatically adjust settings, so your photos always look professional, even if you're not a pro photographer. Battery life? Samsung knows how frustrating it is to be tethered to a charger, so the A57 comes with a powerful 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts through your busiest days. And when you do need a quick recharge, fast charging technology ensures you're powered up in no time. Performance, display, camera, and battery, check, 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 and check. But the surprises keep coming. The phone's software is intelligently optimized with AI-powered features, predicting your app usage, managing background processes, and giving you smoother navigation than ever before. Launching in 2026, the Galaxy A57 5G is more than just a phone. It's a statement. It promises speed, reliability, and an experience that makes every interaction feel thoughtful and effortless. Imagine gaming with ultra-low lag, snapping stunning photos, streaming your favorite shows, and switching between apps without ever feeling a delay. And here's the kicker. Samsung has hidden one small, unexpected feature that's going to excite anyone who watches closely, something that even seasoned tech enthusiasts will find surprisingly clever. As we approach the launch, excitement is building, and it's easy to see why the Galaxy A57 5G is already generating buzz. The combination of sleek design, AI-enhanced cameras, powerhouse performance, and long-lasting battery life makes it an irresistible choice for anyone looking to upgrade. And here's my advice. Pay attention to that surprise feature at the end. It's the kind of small detail that turns a great phone into a conversation starter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which part of the video you're most excited about. The Galaxy A57 5G isn't just another phone. It's the future in your pocket, and trust me, you'll want to be among the first to experience it.